What I wish I knew before my dentist told me I was grinding my teeth. Bruxism, or teeth grinding, affects up to 31% of adults. Stress, sleep disorders, and even poor diet can be the culprits. But don't worry, science has some answers. Magnesium, found in greens like spinach, can help relax your muscles. Vitamin C reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. And get this, chewing sugar-free gum can actually help train your jaw to relax. Want a more natural remedy? Check out nopal and pinole at laprouve.com. They're packed with nutrients to support your overall health. Say goodbye to teeth grinding and hello to better sleep. By laprouve.com, a source of nopal and pinole.